Ça c'est encore Andy Kizeman.
Engels. Ah!
Mbujimai Kanande!
Hey guys, it's your girl KinkyCurlyRae here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as well and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I will show how you can use Aloe Vera plant or strand on my client's hair. But before I will tell you the benefits, I will show you how we can cut this Aloe Vera strand. So I cut it in 3 sections and then I separated them and I put the Aloe Vera in a plastic bowl. And y'all, excuse my voice, like I am so sick. I don't even know what's going on. Like, anyways, I already have a low voice, but now it's even lower. So yeah, don't blame me. It's the weather, okay? So yeah, just follow the steps that I'm doing. But I also wanted to mention that what I'm doing right now, like I'm squeezing the aloe vera, like the aloe vera juice out of the aloe vera skin. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah. But I saw most YouTubers or most hair bloggers squeezing the aloe vera juice out with a plastic bag or a hairnet, but I prefer squeezing it out with my hands. And that's how the aloe vera / the aloe vera juice won't go to waste.
Yeah.
So aloe vera is one of the oldest plants known to provide many amazing benefits for your skin, your hair, your health, and even weight loss. So now, aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair super smooth and super shiny. Next, it promotes hair growth, it prevents itching on the scalp, it reduces dandruff, and it conditions your hair. So now, if you all know, keratin is the primary protein of the hair, and it consists of amino acids, oxygen, carbon, and small amounts of hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. And aloe vera has a chemical makeup similar to that keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, giving it more elasticity and preventing breakage. This was said by Diane, I don't know, Diane Gage. She's the author of Aloe Vera, Nature's Soothing Healer. Okay, so now I'm wrapping the hair with saran wrap, and I'm leaving it on his hair for 1 hour. You can do it is longer if you want. It all depends on your hair and on your hair's porosity. So this is after I wash it out, or I rinse it out with with shampoo and conditioner. We let it sit for 1 hour and 30 minutes because his hair is like really low porosity and it needed the moisture. So now for the moisturizing treatments, it's really simple. If you know your porosity, just follow it because he's a low porosity person. But if you're high porosity, don't follow the steps. Just follow your own steps for your hair care routine.
Et même si les promesses durent longtemps. Sentir. Já. Ubenzi atokome. Yo que louco yo. Yo que louco yo. Ya. Ih. Allez, boloke. Yesu kana ndoto. Nanivona no hai. Andi kisema chokosi.
Vai curtir, bebê.
Ba la la la. Oh lo lo lo. La 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 la. Oh lo lo lo. La 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 la.
Allez, donne un cadeau. Rachel Mougine en verse. Allez, donne un rire, maman. Laisse un message.
Hoe zeg je mijn naam?
Mougine.
Mujina. Het is Mujina.
Mougine. Nga.
Nga. Mujina.
Dessa é só. Mougima e Canandé. Patrick Mandetti. Pasteur Marcelo. Ah non. Aniki, c'est ma petite Andica.
So after this 3-hour concert, I finally sealed his hair and beard with shea butter, and this to promote hair growth and protection. So guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, to subscribe. Be blessed.
Ça c'est encore Andy Kizema.
Engels. Ah!
So Andy Kizema, Dindy Kizema on your screen again. Like I said, like she said, I'm the realest client, you know.
Release de quoi?
Yours are Motema Makasi, hein? She is the Motema Makasi, you have to keep. So, to keep. So again, Andy Kizema, Dindy Kizema on your screen again. And like you see, I have a ring, but I'm not married. Oh, putain, fucking punchline. Ray, what's that shit? A Slay by Ray, or say it?
A slave with Ray.
A Slay with Ray. She's now at High Barber, you know, so hit her up, you know, High Barber. Andy Kizema, Dindy Kizema on your screen again, like you see, I have a ring, but I'm not married because it's not.
On my ring finger.
On my ring finger.
Wat maak je hier?
No, ik wou zeggen, it's not here, maar ik dacht dat jij hier doet.
Quoi? Hier.
Hey, I'm not married. I'm not married.
Kisema, Dindy Kisema on your screen again. Like you see, I have a ring, but I'm not married because the ring is not on my ring finger. Happy? Just wanted to announce that A Slay by Ray is also available at the Hype Barbershop of my friend Hamid, also Bright, and all the rest of the crew, like Dongala and Leila, and that's it. So if you want some good cuts, braids, I don't know, just go over there. Or if you want some t-shirts, I don't know, just go over there, go and see. And for the rest, no, I have nothing to say, I think. Not today, so Andy Kissema, en quelques 100 francs. Et yeah, check out.